Hi friend, in this video I will discuss about direct editing in SolidWorks. So in direct editing SolidWorks we have a lot of command: move face command, move copy body, fillet chamfer, linear pattern, delete keep face body, delete face, split and combine body. So these all are the direct editing commands. So I'll go with the move face command. So before going to apply move face command, let me draw one part. So before drawing a part, I'll sketch. So let me choose the right plane, select sketch. Automatically it will come normal, or if it will not come, then you can click the normal to control plus 8, or else you can click normal here. Then you can select the center rectangle. I'll select center rectangle. If you want to give a smart dimension, you can give a smart dimension. I'll give this length 250 and this length I'll give 100. Now click OK, exit from a sketch. Now go to feature and extrude boss base and extrude up to 150. Select OK. Now this is our solid part. So I want to edit some face, I want to extrude some face, I want to rotate some face. So you just go to direct editing. If you have a this icon, direct editing, or else if you don't have, then click this evaluate option and click right click from mouse. Then you can able to see the direct editing option is there. Just click OK. Automatically direct editing icon will become. Then you can choose this move face command. Select the move face command. After selecting move face command, you can able to see the move face. We have three kind of move face: offset, translate and rotate. Rotate means the face will be rotate some angle. You can give some angles, so in that angle the face will be inclined based on your angle. And translate means the direction, which direction you want to extrude. Give a direction, then that direction it will be extrude or pull or compress. And this offset command, you know that offset means extrude or pull, compress, depend on the face. So you choose the face, automatically offset will be extrude depend on your distance. So let me choose the first offset move face command. So I'll select this face. Now you can see the extrude automatically it's read because the computer is already detect 10 mm. So I'll increase this value, I'll give it 20. You can see the extrusion is happen. So if you click again, then it is 30. So just click OK. So this length 30 have been increased. Again you click OK and select this face and extrude up to 50. You can see the 50 have been increased this extrusion, and OK, and click this face, select move face and select the offset. And there is one option, flip direction. If you will not click this direction, then it will be extrude, and if you click the flip direction, so it will be compress. So suppose I'll give a compression 10. So 10 mm it will be cut. Okay, so this is called move face command. And another command we have in the move face only, translate command. So just select the translate and choose this face, top face, and I'll go with this is the direct x-axis, this is the y-axis. So I'll give a y-axis direction, extrusion 20 30. So see, and if you want to give this z axis, I'll give it 20. X axis, so it will take one direction, so you choose the direction. So I'll choose the direction y direction, so just delete this all the directions. Now I given the y axis top face 30 mm, click OK. So the 30 mm it's have been extruded. Again you select move face, and I'll choose this face. Then I'll extrude this in x direction. In x direction 30. You give a 40 50. I'll give a 50. Okay, see the 50 mm is extrude. So this is called move face in translate. So last command we have in move face, that is called rotate command. If you select this rotate command, so that select the face, I'll select this face, and in below you can able to see the direction x axis, y axis, and z axis. So if you'll give an angle y axis 30 degree, so it will be rotate 30 degree face. Just click OK. See, again you select this face, go to move face in direct editing, and select the rotate, and I'll give a direction x axis. No, I'll give a direction z direction. So I'll give it 30 degree. Select OK. I think a problem will happen. So select this face, and choose the y axis 30 degree. Yeah, see the direction is 30 degree, is this face will be rotate. So click OK. So see the face have been inclined and face have been moved depend on the angles. So in the move face, how much types you can move this face by offset command. Offset through I can move the face, extrude or compress the face, and translate means direction, which direction you want to extrude or compress. Then last command we have what do you call that, rotate command. So in rotate command you give angles of which direction you want to inclined and you want to move. Then you give an angle and give a direction, so automatically it will be detect the angles and the directions as well as. So this is called move face in direct editing. I hope you guys learn a lot of things in this command, move face direct editing command. So in next video we'll catch you another command in direct editing only. Okay, thank you.